Can you track your lost or stolen debit card?
Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a concern many of us have had at some point. Can I track the location of my lost or stolen debit card? It's a worrisome situation to be in, and knowing what steps to take can bring some peace of mind.
Can I track my debit card?
The straightforward answer is no. You cannot directly track your lost or stolen debit card's physical location. Debit cards do not have GPS or any form of tracking technology embedded in them, which means they can't be traced in real time. However, if your card has been used fraudulently, it is possible to track the location where the transactions occurred. This would happen when a transaction is made, as your bank has details on where and when the card was used. Remember, this kind of tracking is not in real time and solely depends on when and where the thief uses your card.
What should I do if my debit card is lost or stolen?
If you notice that your debit card is missing, it's important to act quickly. Here are the steps you should take. 1. Contact your bank immediately. Most banks have 24/7 helplines for reporting lost or stolen cards. The quicker you report it, the quicker your bank can block your card to prevent unauthorized transactions. 2. Monitor your account activity. Keep an eye on your account transactions. If you see any transactions you didn't make, report them to your bank immediately. 3. File a police report. If you are certain your card was stolen, file a report with your local law enforcement. Provide them with all the information you have, including when you noticed your card was missing and any suspicious transactions.
How can I protect myself?
While you can't prevent your debit card from ever getting lost or stolen, you can take steps to protect your financial information. Here are some tips. Set up transaction alerts. Many banks allow you to set up alerts for transactions over a certain amount. These can help you catch fraudulent activity faster. Regularly review your account activity. Make it a habit to check your account transactions regularly. This can help you quickly spot and report any unauthorized transactions. Be mindful of where and how you use your card. Avoid using your debit card on unfamiliar websites or at ATMs that look tampered with. In conclusion, while you can't directly track the location of a lost or stolen debit card, you can monitor your bank transactions to spot any fraudulent activities. In any case, your first move should be to contact your bank and report the loss or theft. By regularly monitoring your account and being cautious about where you use your card, you can also protect yourself against potential financial loss. We hope this video has been helpful and made you feel more prepared should you ever face this situation.